Hello and welcome. My name is Denelle Numis, and this is Break It Down with Plank. Let's start in the modified plank position. So this is one you'll commonly see in beginner level classes. Your hands go wide to the edges of your mat, a little bit wider than shoulder distance apart. Shoulders come over your wrists, and the knees are typically down to the earth. A common error here is to kind of stick the booty out and arch your back. Try instead to soften your tailbone down so the lower abdominals get strong and you have this long line of energy from your knees to the crown of your head. You can breathe here and then lower all the way down to your belly. From here, let's try forearm plank. Second variation. Bring your forearms to the mat. You can walk it back if you're too far forward. Spread your palms nice and wide. Your forearms should be in the shape of a number 11, parallel to one another. So if you have trouble doing that, you can actually grab for opposite elbows and then separate your forearms and palms wide. Now curl your toes under behind you, lift the belly away from the mat, press into your forearms and your toes, and find forearm plank. There's some variation here with forearm plank where you can keep your feet wide or bring your toes together, and some people will do some movements with heel drops, but for now we'll just focus on pressing the earth away, doming out the upper back, but keeping your hips in line with your shoulders. Deep breath in, deep breath out. The great thing about this one is that you have strong arms and strong legs, equal weight in both sides. Lower your hips down, exhale, Sphinx pose. Tops of the feet to the mat, press into your hands, lift your heart, and then exhale, lower all the way down. For full plank, curl your toes under. You can either come through a tabletop position or with your legs completely straight and your hands beneath your elbows, slowly press up to high plank position. If you need to modify and adjust, please do so. Shoulders should be right over your wrists, heels high over the balls of your feet. You're not collapsing into your shoulders and sinking into the shoulder girdle. Instead, really press the earth away. So you again dome out the upper back. Weight in the legs, strong arms. Take another breath. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog. Hopefully those variations have helped you learn a little bit more about plank and you can get really strong developing your plank pose. Thanks for joining us. Namaste.